Hey guys, Tony here. So real quick, I did want to post another Moderna, another, but a Moderna quick TA. I kind of already did the TA on the back end. Like I already worked on this, like right after that Neo TA that I released. But I just didn't, what's it called? I forgot to post it, or I forgot to like record this one. I thought I was gonna record this one right away, but it's gonna be relatively simple TA. I think it's gonna keep running. I think Moderna's gonna keep running towards the, what is this, 383, 384. Wait, do I have two up here? Oh, that's right, I have two because I have the first one. I have the first one up here, right there. So I do have our first run. I think it's gonna keep running up to 384 possibly, and then probably go back and retest that 348 level right here. I think I used the fibs too, completely forgot about it, just because I have so many forecasts on the screen that it's kind of hard to like really do it. Oh, no, I don't want to forecast. Oh, damn it, I don't want to forecast. What are my fibs? There you go. So I mean, you can kind of do like just a simple fib on here, and you can kind of see that we are in the general area of where that 3618 fib is going to be. So we just crossed the 2618. We broke relative highs back here, broke 2618, and we're basically right at that forecast. The next fib level would be 379, and the one that I'm thinking we're going to is 384. So we're really not that far from that fib level at all. I think we touch somewhere along the lines of 380, and then we drop back down to like 343. And again, that's what the running forecast of the very first initial pump that we had back here on November 2020, all the way to from November 2nd 2020 all the way up to November 30th. And I think we're gonna have a similar run and similar drop, and probably trading sideways after that. So I think we'll probably drop down here, have the new highs created around 380-ish, and then probably just trade sideways in price action for a while until you get like news or whatever. And then once it breaks out of that, it's either going back down to 285, or it's going to run up to possibly like 417, 440s or something. So that's kind of it. I think Moderna's still going to go up, but keep in mind, I do think it's going to retrace back to 348 eventually, and I think it's going to set up a new like a new price action where it's just trading between like 348 and like 380 for like the next couple of like weeks or whatever. I'll see you guys later.